Hi, this is Austin Ashbacker. Today I'm going to talk to you about where to input some of that customer information in Vermeer Projects. So let's get started. From the home screen, you'll select Job Data. From there, you'll select Planning. In this screen, you've got the option to input some different information such as project title, maybe a project description, some different start and end dates, your job stage, maybe a company name or a company contact, some contact information maybe, some site information, and the type of work you're doing. From there, you'll select OK, and that is how you input customer information into Vermeer Projects. That's all for this one. We'll see you next time.